What's up, everyone? For this project update, I have about 95 dead trees that I need to cut up. Well, cut down, then cut up, and then stump. And then at the same time, I've got maybe about 25 live tree that I need to trim, and I need to haul off all of the excess leaves to the dump. So hopefully it's a fun video to watch. It's a lot of repetition. It's a lot of hard work. I got so bored and so tired of doing the same thing over and over. My hands are banged up. It was just very challenging to continue to do this part of the project. But at the end of the day, I love it and I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. So during my project, when I lack motivation, I listen to music. And a few of the songs that I'll be playing while the video go through, a few of those songs are what motivated me. It's kind of unique how the words kind of match up to what I'm doing and how I feel. So these songs, I enjoy them, and hopefully as they play along and the video plays along, it paints a good picture of what a person have to go through when they want to stay dedicated and make sacrifice, for the things that they believe in and things that they love, the way I do and the way I'm doing right now.
There's a storm moving in across that state line again. Just about the time gonna fill my pillowcase up again. If you don't know nothing about me, know that I'm a tree cutting man. I wasn't always a singer. Grew up in a small town back when there was no one to care about my name. And deep down in my blood, know that I'm a tree cutting man. There's a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. For what it's worth, my back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, know that I'm a tree cutting man. I just about lost my life on a rainy September night. Saw came back and cut me bad as hell. So my buddy made the drive, doing over 95. Blue light pulled us over, took him straight to jail. It was the end of the line for this tree cutting man. There's a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. For what it's worth, my back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, know that I'm just a tree cutting man. And if you listen to the wind at night, the trees will play a song so right. That's about how I became the man I am today. There's still a long line of us swinging that song to get that pay. For what it's worth, my back still hurts to this day. It may not suit you, I've done the best I can. Deep down in my blood, I am a chainsaw running. keep the beer a-coming. Just a tree cutting man. What the hell y'all listening to, man? Get to work, son.
I am Chris Crosshall, straw boss of a logging crew in the Middle West. I will never forget the first time I saw Paul Bunyan. I was topping trees one morning. I looked up, and there stood the biggest man I ever saw.
With my double-blade axe and my hobnail boots, I go where the timber's tall. When there's work to be done, don't mess around, just sing right out for Paul. Hey, Paul! I'm coming, boys. Paul Bunyan, Paul Bunyan. He's 63, axe handles high, with his feet on the ground and his head in the sky. Hey, Paul! Hey, Paul! Paul Bunyan! Paul Bunyan! Well, he picked up his axe and he chopped a tree clean down with his forward swing. Got him another when his axe swung back, that timber cutting king. He kept on a-chopping the livelong day, and then when it was night, he walked back over the stumps he'd cut and stomped them out of sight. Thanks, Paul. What? Nothing.
Paul Bunyan.
Now way up in the wildness of them Minnesota woods, there lived a boy who swung an axe, and man, he slung it good. He tried to help his people, but they killed his only friend, and it drove him down to meanness and sin. Well, it drove him down to meanness and sin. Well, the sins of the fathers will be paid for by the sons. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan. The sins of the fathers will be paid for by the sons. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan. A boy into a monster took the whole damn town to raise. Cut and beat and chained up, then they buried him away. They kept the secret hidden by the righteous light of day. Then they told a fancy legend so the logger camps would stay. They told a fancy legend so the logger camps would stay. Well, the sins of the fathers will be paid for by the sons. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan. The sins of the fathers will be paid for by the sons. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan. Now a sleeping giant wakes and rises. An axe blade is sharpened through and through. Vengeance comes in many shapes and sizes. The tallest of all tales is coming true. The tallest of all tales is finally true. The evils of the fathers will be paid for by the sons. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan. The sins of the fathers will be paid for by the sons. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan. This here is the ballad of Paul Bunyan.
So all the work that I've been doing in this video, it's about 2.5, 3 weeks. That's how long it took me to finish off that piece of the project, and that's how long it took me to edit and put this little video together to show everyone what I've been up to the last few weeks. And I still have more videos to come. This was just the first part of all the work that I need to get done. It was a lot of hard work, my hands are all banged up. I had many issues with the chainsaw, shovel breaks, pitch axe breaks, a lot of setbacks. But you know what? I kept at it and I continued on, and here we are. It's starting to look good, little by little. I want to thank everyone for watching this video, and just for following and keeping up with all the work that I've been doing for the last 2 years. This is a big project and I love it, and I will continue on working on it, and I will continue to post these videos. Thank you so much.